Finally made it to the mall in Las Vegas, you guys. And of course, I'm in round one because my kiddo's addicted to this freaking spot. All right, we're starting with the Nike clearance store. We're at the South Vegas Premium Outlets. I see Canada jerseys right here, $40. I see a few different sizes. I don't know. Who is this? Who is this? I have no clue who that is. Oh, is that Uruguay? It's Uruguay right there. They got the red ones right here as well, all smalls. Got England right here, $30 for these. Another one of those, Uruguay ones. US, I've never seen the green one. US green one, $40, extra small, smalls. Then more of the Uruguay. Got some deals right here. What are these? The Free Metcon 6s, it's the women's right here, $60. Spot, they got the refurb separate. I've never seen a Nike clearance store with that. We got kids, we got women's, and we got men's. Really curious about the prices on these refurbs. $100 for the GT Cut 3 Turbos. These are size 9. LeBron's go for $100. These are the 23s. Tired of seeing these, $60. Got these light blue ones right here, 80. 80 for dunks. Who the F is paying 80 for dunks right now? Jordan 4 RMs right here, 80. I've been seeing these hella cheap Tech Challengers, size 9, $70. I feel like we've seen those brand new inbox cheaper than that. Jordan 4 RMs, $70. Air Max 95 Big Bubbles, $80. These are marked as 95 down to 80. I feel like some of these are better deals at the regular Nike outlets because you get like 30 off. Full Forces right here, $48, solid price. Say solid price and like, what the hell? Like, kind of, sort of, not really, because you would get 30 off at the regular outlets. Infinity Run, Flyknit 3s, $95. Luca 3s, $40. That's a good price. Beating through this a little bit because the deals here, whatever, $95. Big size. Right here, GT Cut 3 Turbos, $100. More LeBrons, some older Lucas right here, $60. All right, let's go check out the regular sizes. Start with the size 9 right here. I've been seeing these in LA here and there, Santa Clarita, $95 for the SB Dunks. Those of you guys that haven't seen these, total American football material. Definitely interesting. Got Forces. These look like it's a sample. That's a sample tag right there, $70. The Attacks right here, $60. The Olympic Shocks right here. These are the ones that Vince Carter wore. What do they call it? The Dunk of Death, $100. The hell are these? It says the Trunner Flows. Jordan Trunner Flows, $40. Got the regular Trunners that we've seen at the Nike clearance store, a bunch of size, $50. Definitely a solid price. These are one of the newer Dunks, $60. This one's made out of that woven material. Definitely interesting materials right there. KD 18, $70. All right, we're moving on to the 10s right here, 10.5s. You see some sparkly Jordan 1 mids. Go for $80. LeBron trainers right here, $60. Got mules right here, the Calm Mules, $35. $25 for the regular Calm Slides. Ton of these Tech Challengers. They've been moving cheaper at the regular Nike outlet, so plethora of these DN8s. I think they're all going for $100. We've seen them drop down to $50 at some of the clearance stores here and there. Look, all the Jordans in this area. Got all the, what are these? The Nike basketball right here, I think. Nike basketball workout stuff. Then they got more basketball. They got casual shoes right here. Then they got the workout shoes over there, like the running shoes. All kinds of LeBrons, mostly going for $80. And the 10.5s. Dude, got Legacy through Tell, $60. Air Max 90, I think this is in the wrong area right here. Yeah, this is size 9, $60 for these. Hella clean for $60. Starting to see Gore-Tex Dunks right here. These are relatively new. Is that whatever? $100. All right, let's go to the clearance apparel. Like, I guess everything is clearance here. Let's go to the apparel section. Got some interesting pants. Like, kind of like tech linen, like a interesting material. $155 down to $60. $60 effing dollars. Got tech fleece. Yeah, we're in the desert. It does get cold out here though, doesn't it? In the winter, it's not like not super long. Winter definitely ain't long here. $60, $60, and that is hella orange. $50 for these. They're jackets. They're big time fleece jackets. They call this like Sherpa or something. They got this. I don't think it's wool. It's a little too smooth for wool, but yeah, $50, normally $125. Hella bright ACG hoodie right here, way bright, $50. Got a tech fleece jacket right here for $70. Another tech fleece right here. Oh, tech pack. Tech pack. It's like a windbreaker, $140 down to $50. Tons of winter stuff. They're definitely clearancing, getting rid of all their winter gear. So it is hot as hell outside, but to be honest, like summer's starting to wind down, right? Summer's starting to wind down. Everybody's doing their back to school shopping. $40 for this. Is this 24/7? I don't know. In Vegas, they got Los Angeles gear, which is, I don't know, kind of funny. Yes, $30. $30 for those. All right, back to the sneakers. This is size 11. Got Vomeros right here, $80. Got some Rejuvenate slides right here, $30 for these. Dumex Vaporfly Next Percent right here, $100. Doomflies, $80. Vomero 18s, decent color right here, $100. Pegasus Premiums right here, $100. Another Vaporfly right here. Oh, it's a streak fly, so a little more middle distance, $100. Seeing a lot more Vomeros right here. I haven't seen these in 10 and a half, so $80. Vomeros down here. What colorway is this? Oh, it's a 10 and a half. $80 now. $80. That is a solid price for these Vomeros right here. I do feel like the Vomero 18s significantly softer. Like I feel like there's like a very noticeable difference. Not like everybody needs like super soft shit like that, because I don't know if it's great for you, but it does work for my feet when I go running. But yeah, $50 for these runners. I got these pink bad boys right here as well. These are $50. These some blazers. All black blazers right here, $40. Little restock right here. Nothing too crazy. And the size 12s now, $50. Doomfly 6 Glam. The Glam's like a colorway. Like that bright, crazy colors right there, $100. Seeing if any of these have been marked down to like really low. No, $100. Jordan 4 RMs right here, $70. I feel like we've seen these cheaper at a lot of the regular outlets. Book blazers right here. The blazers go for $60. LA to Chicago looking mids right there, go for $80. 13s, just one little tiny little strip. Dang, dude, that's crazy. And look at the structures. I guess this isn't bad price premium right here, $100. But the selection's not even that great. That's the thing. Like some mids right here, $80. Rejuvenate slides, $30. Damn, dude, like Nike's just giving up on big feet gang. We got a few 14s right here, running shoes and stuff. Then they move on to cleats and stuff like right here. All right, that was a men's sneakers right there. Yeah, let's search some more apparel. That even makes sense. I guess that they have a refurbished rack right here. Out in Santa Clarita, it's like all like together. They don't have a separate rack. This tank top right here, $24. It's kind of loose though. You know, some people like loose tank tops. A bunch of just t-shirts and stuff, $13. Got polos. Some of them just bright as hell, $20. This one is $20 as well. Good thing is they are marking them down from the regular refurb price. Because at the regular outs, you would get like 30% off anyways. We're so used to it. Back in the day, there were times when they didn't offer any discounts, especially like midweek and stuff. But we're all used to the discounts now, and everything's gotten so much more expensive. So, you know, many of you guys are in the same situation as I am, where don't really have that much money for sneakers and apparel. Well, I don't, at least. Maybe I'm talking for the general public, but I think sales reflect that though. 1, 2, 3, 4 racks of just t-shirts, bunch of What are those, graphic tees? At this right, they got more Canada jerseys. They're still, what, 40, right? Yeah, they're still 40. Like, is that total 9? No, it's a golf. Nike golf polo right there, 50 bucks. Yeah, I don't see any other team jerseys here. To my knowledge, most or all of the clearance store, they kind of operate with like the same price and stuff. I don't know. For some reason, this feels like a tourist trap because there's a ton of tourists here, but we found deals here in the past. Just, I don't know, got unlucky, I guess. Look at this, 300 down to 100. It is a, is it cashmere? What is this? Wool? Maybe it's wool? Ooh, cashmere. Ooh, that's why it's so soft. So soft. 95% cashmere. Holy crap. That's why it's $300. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Maybe 100. I got this other one in here. This definitely does not look like Nike. Everybody be like, what the hell? Or Jordan brand, actually. What the hell? Jordan be trying to do designer stuff sometimes. What they talking about? What they talking about? The one right next door has a price tag, 80 bucks. There you see G jacket right here. You see the lining on the back and stuff. Yeah, 235 down to 80. Just like out in Santa Cruz, a ton of shorts. Ooh, no, this is not all cotton, unfortunately. Yeah, this is like, oh wait, yo, I actually found 100% cotton shorts right here. What? That's crazy. I'm not even checking the price. I'm gonna grab these for my kiddo. It's knee length as well. That's like perfect for him. I don't even care about the price. I'm gonna grab it anyways. But yeah, 25 bucks, I'll definitely take it. 65 for these just regular cotton pants. I just thought of it. Cotton fades, and that's why I think that's one of the other reasons why they use all polyester nowadays, because polyester just does not fade. I really like these. They're above the knee, which I'm not a fan of, but I don't think my kid will like it. I think these are 100% cotton. It feels like cotton. But yeah, 65 down to $24.99. Yeah, it's weird seeing 100% cotton stuff. I don't like these. These have pocket. Oh, these have zipper pockets, which my kid likes. Or the right one is zipper because he hates losing stuff. Not gonna lie, I hate buying stuff at the clearance store because there's no returns. They do let you change sizes here and there. They're not like dicks about it, but yeah, I don't like to return stuff because it is final sale. You can't return stuff, but yeah, I don't really like to. I guess I can change sizes and wear it myself. I don't know. That's if you can even find it. 20 for slides. I got a bunch of those. These are kind of interesting right here. These are also 20. Women's section. Do I actually see like 11s and 12s right here in the women's, which I really don't see in Santa Clarita. Women's runners look, but they look different, right? They look a little different. No price on it though. Jordan 5s with no netting, 100 bucks for those. Size 11. Size 10 got these Jordan 3s right here, 100 bucks. Size 11 got Jordan 1s. Jordan 1 Hot OGs, 100. Jordan 6s with pony hair and stuff, $50. 50 bucks. Palm slides, $30. Rejuvenate. Oh yeah, these are just Rejuvenates. 40, I thought they were slides. Jordan 1s down here, 70 for size 12. That's a hell of a deal. All right, moving on to the size 8s. Checking some more normal sizes. Normal for most women. But yeah, Jordan 3s, 100 bucks. Got these, and looks like every size. Got that same organization here for the women's. Gamma Forces, 50 bucks. Infinity Run, Invincible runs, go for 80. Got these bright dunks, hella bright dunks, 80. These are 80. Air Max, 95. BB, the big bubbles, 80 for those, 100 for these. These pink ones right here. Pink and white one right here, 100. Cortez going for 50. Valentine's Day looking, Cortez 50. Got some Forces right here, some suede. These are 6.5 women's, 80 bucks. Pegasus, regular right here 70. Pegasus Premiums, 100 bucks. These are 8.5. Zoomfly, Vaporfly Next Percent. Got Vaporfly Next Percent, 100 bucks. All kinds of Air Max 270s, 80. And are these 80 as well? Yep, 80 for those as well. Air Max DNs, 100. These like old OG running shoes. Superflies, 50. Dunks, right here, 80. All black. Big bubbles right here, 100. And Shocks R4s, 80 for those. Oh wait, we got the TLs. These are the better looking Shocks in my opinion, 100 bucks. That's cool. He's been playing so frequently. Getting faster. Getting faster. We got the headband on and everything. So funny. $95, not bad, not bad. Staying at the Excalibur, staying with family and stuff. Little room right here. This is our fire view. 90% of it is freaking this wall right here. What the hell? My sister's on the other side. And they actually have a view of New York, and the roller coaster, which is pretty cool. All right, this spot right here is included in the all-inclusive stay. So yeah, let's go check it out. Lunchtime, we are at the Excalibur buffet. I'll show you guys what they got. It's a weird hours. They're open from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. only. Did grab some breakfast and lunch. I just ate 2 hours ago. Freaking Vegas is so dumb. All right, I did knock out my food. They do have a bar and you can get an all-you-could-drink ticket for $20. That's not too bad. But for regular food, they got breakfast. This one, it says regional, but kind of more breakfast, like bacon and egg migas. Is that what the hell that's called? Yeah, they got some southern food, I guess. They got a carving station right here. I did grab some of that. Was it top brown beef? I think it was pretty good. It's pretty legit. American food station right here. We got mashed potatoes, gravy. What is that right there? I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. They got pizza. It's a specialty items. They got a little Asian section right here with, it says assorted sushi. Salad station. They got soups over here, and then they got build your own waffle station. They do have a dessert station right here. All kinds of different cake, red velvet, and that's like a chocolate cake. It was so thick, it kind of tastes like a brownie. I had one of those already. Soft serve ice cream. They got cones, bread pudding, some bread pudding, and throw some ice cream on it. And on this side, they got more cake. They got more pastries and all that type of stuff. This is from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Oh, wait. And it's 1:30 and they got a line, dude. Holy crap. Can't believe it. Damn, dude. They're gonna close this place in a few minutes. Damn.